Good morning, guys. So today I want to make banana bread, but guess what? The bananas I have are not so ripe, but I have ripe plantains. So I'm going to be making plantain bread with the ripe plantains I have. Let me show you guys. So this is a ripe plantain. These are the other ones, and here are the bananas. See, they are ripe but not so ripe. So yes, I'll be making plantain bread, and that is what I'll be doing this morning. So guys, watch the next part to see the outcome. Look, they're still a bit hard, so I'll be adding like 2 banana fingers into the plantain. Wow, look at this. Yes? Yes, it has stopped. I'm coming. I'll play it again. Look at that. This is how you have your egg meal on a good day. Yes. So in the long run, you have this. Yes. I'm coming. There's a lot of things. Let me just film this. This is it. This is what we have. We have some eggs, vegetable eggs, and some banana plantain coconut bread. And then we have some oat here, but this oat has some pepper. Who sprinkles pepper on oats? Me.